This is going to become one of my daily driver drones. This is like a pre-review of the Flywoo Explorer. Recently, we took this out to the field, we flew it around, and I was absolutely blown away. So you're going to see this video on my channel in just a little bit, but it is doing some things that I didn't expect I would be having so much fun. And if you said to me, hey, Stu, you're going to have a 4-inch and it's going to be one of your favorite drones of 2025, I wouldn't have believed you, especially like it doesn't have the most power. It doesn't have, it is not the fastest drone, and it's not even the most durable drone. But what this does, and it does it so well, is like reliability and insane flight times. So I put my DJI 04 in here. I flew it around with Stickman Steve, and we are getting about 1 minute of flight time per 110 milliamp hours out of our battery. Like a 10-minute flight time is absolutely easily achievable. We're cruising this thing around. And it has an OSD at the top of the screen. It has a special beeper underneath as well. So if you ever lose your drone and you're worried about, oh man, I got to get that before my battery goes flat, the battery inside here is going to keep beeping for a long time, even after your main LiPo dies, or maybe it got disconnected and thrown out in a hard crash. This beeper is still going to be making some noise, so you can go and find it. It's got GPS coordinates as well, so you can see it on the top of your DVR. And also, you can set it so it's going to fly back to you. And the video that you get from this thing mixed with the 04 Pro in there, because it's this dead cat style, it's not obstructed or it's not in the view or anything like that. So I cannot stress this little drone enough. It was so much fun. It comes with some little arm braces as well. And that's where I know that this is going to become a drone that I want to use a lot in the future, because I'm going to be installing those very soon. It's just, that's not something you do. When you have a lot of drones to test, it has to be a pretty special drone for you. Like, oh, I'm going to make some adjustments to that. I'm going to keep using that quite a lot. That's what's going to happen with this. So if you are out there and you're thinking to yourself, what drone should I get? I do have a racing drone. I've got a freestyle drone. I just really want something that is fun with insane flight times, that just works well out of the box and has some great options if you're ever going to lose it to get it back. Like exploring with this thing, flying around, feeling free. There's so many good design choices with this. So stay tuned. This video is going to be coming out soon. Even things like the antenna at the front, you might be thinking that doesn't seem like such a big deal, but it is, because when you are flying away, if you ever got a radio warning and it said, oh, you're about to lose your telemetry, you're about to use your radio link, oh, I need to turn around. Well, now the antenna is closest to me. However, traditionally, if you have your antennas at the back and you start to lose, it's saying, oh, you get a warning, oh, I better turn around and come home. You turn around. Now the entire drone frame is between you, and it's going to interfere with itself before getting that signal back to you. So there's a lot of good thinking here. Someone's saying those arms look dinky compared to my QAV. Yeah, they are. They're absolutely tiny. These little arms right here. Dave asked, yes, it's a 4-inch. That's a little 4-inch. It's really light as well. It's like 230 grams, maybe, or maybe 180. I'll have to have a look at how much that weighs.